Well, I'm Charlotte, and myself and my friend Anita opened the cafe back in August 2015. We were just two mums that were doing some part-time jobs locally and thought Haddington needs a coffee shop, and we could do it. So here at the Loft, we decided that the most important thing for us was simple food done well. Home-baked cakes, good quality toasties with good quality cheese, good quality ham. And it is about being very comfortable, being very homely. From an equipment point of view, it has to be simple and straightforward. We had a big classic oven. It was quite old, but it got us going. It did a great job, but it was failing. The temperature wasn't perfect. It fluctuated a little bit. It made a difference if you opened the oven door. So looking for new ovens, we came and talked to Convotherm, being one of the most popular on the market. We chose the ones with the nice easyTouch interface panels. One reason was because we can program it. So we can put in that the scones need 15 minutes, and then anybody else cooking the scones knows that they've only got to press scone. They are straightforward, so it's not difficult to teach somebody how to switch it on and get it up to temperature. At the same time we were looking at the Convotherms for the kitchen downstairs, we were also concerned about the operation upstairs, where we're doing a lot of toasted sandwiches. We were using the panini grill, so at that point we looked at the Merrychef. We had a problem upstairs in as much as we have a lot of orders for toasties, and on a panini grill you can only get so many on at a time, and you're standing waiting for them for quite some time. So we looked at the Merrychef and found that we can put 2 toasties in at a time, and I think they go in for 45 seconds. We turn them over for another 30 seconds and that's it, done. And it has actually revolutionised our service at lunchtime. It's much, much quicker. I'd certainly be happy to recommend either the Convotherm or the Merrychef oven, because they have been easy and they have made our life a lot easier.